This is my friend's Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. I owned this machine previously, and the relevance of this video is that I am riding the same motorcycle after a long gap of 5-6 months. So this is not a first ride impression video, but a first ride after a long gap. Now there is a saying that goes, familiarity breeds contempt. The more time you spend with a product, hopefully not a person, the less pleasure you start to derive from it. In economics, this is also known as the law of diminishing returns. So if you really want to find the true value of something which you have been using continuously, take a break. Take a break of few weeks or few months and revisit, and then you will start to appreciate it more. But on the other flip side, if you want to find out the real pain points of a motorcycle, you will have to spend time with it. Not weeks, but sometimes months. So that is why we not only rely on the ownership experiences of other people about the test ride experiences which are personal to us while making a purchasing decision. So I got a chance to ride this beautiful Interceptor for a few hours through the beautiful coastal roads of Kochi, and it was great. If you ask me, it was great. I really enjoyed every second on her saddle. The things that initially caught my attention are how smooth the engine is. The engine refinement is on another level compared to the CB350. It was just gliding. The gear shifts are just slick, which you don't even feel on the gear lever, and it has adequate torque. Whatever speed you are in, if you slow down, you just need to pull the throttle back and it will just pick up. But if you ask me, do I regret selling the Interceptor? No. But do I miss her? Hell yes. I mean, this is such a beautiful motorcycle, but I had my problems, my reasons for selling it, which I've already explained it in multiple videos, and they still hold true. Let me explain. For a few hours of morning ride, maybe up to 4 hours, there is no doubt that the Interceptor will give me more pleasure than the CB350. The CB350 looks like a more practical motorcycle, everyday motorcycle which can also tour, but you know, the twin engine performance, that sweet exhaust and the feel you get while riding the Interceptor is on another level. But if I'm going for a dawn to dusk ride, maybe cover around 400 kilometers in a day over different types of terrains, highways, bad roads, hilly roads, then I would no doubt take the CB350 because it offers much more comfort and practicality over different conditions. And suppose I go out for a ride in the city on this hot summer day with bumper to bumper traffic, again I would take the CB350. So there is a limit to the number of motorcycles which any person can own, 1 or 2. I don't want to keep a lot of motorcycles in my garage, so that is the reason why I have to sell it. So I think this makes it clear. Enjoy the rest of the ride, don't go anywhere, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.